Hi, this is Mamta Marleja. Happy evening to everyone. Today, my topic is how to build a trust in relationship. Trust. We often trust people with whom you are close to, your friends, your partner, whom you are close to in your relationship. So, how to develop this trust and relationship? First, see the best in relationship. Even when the trust is broken, or when the trust is hurting you, it's you feel worse of yourself. You feel that they have done something to yourself. So when we look them as we they have done to ourselves something that is not trustworthy, and we take that negative emotion with ourselves, we can't move in that relationship. So see the best in that relationship, see what they are good at. See, it's okay, sometimes they broke trust, but we have to rebuild that relationship. So we have to see the best quality in this relationship, and we should move forward to build that part in our relationship. Next is, we should have um, when we should be trustworthy. First, in your relationship, we both the persons are need both the partners are needed to be trusted to both each other. So first we have to look ourselves whether we are trustworthy to others. Then we have to see others. So first, being trustworthy to yourself, and then see that you are being trusted and being trusted by others. So first, look at yourself, how you can be good at, how you can be more change with yourself and trust other persons. um, so we need both the sides to trust each other and build a relationship. Next, we have different amount of trust. Like, we trust people with friends, we have different trust, and with partner we have different kind of trust with them. So we have different amount of trust with ourselves, different types of trust that we have. So whenever we trust people, first, we have to we even if they are not trustworthy, just just look at them and just let it go, and just take your initial step to build that relationship and make them a trustworthy. Next, how we can move forward and rebuild this trust in the relationship. First is current relationship. So we are thinking about the past relationship, and we are feeling that we are not getting trustworthy in that relationship, and we are feeling that thing in our relationship, so we cannot move forward. So in that current relationship, give the trust, give your whole trust, give your whole hearted thing, and other person will surely understand you, and he will surely come to you, and he knows about your trust on one day. So do your part, become trustworthy of yourself, and see the best qualities in others. Next, forgive forgive them. One of the best thing we have to do in our relationship, even if they broke the trust, we should forgive them. We should forgiving them is not for them, it's for you. You have a lot of baggage within yourself that you are not trusting you're not trusting them. So you feel that negative feel of emotion within yourself. When you are able to forgive others, when you are able to forgive them wholeheartedly what they have done, even if they have broken their trust, forgive them. And if you forgive others, you can able to move yourself very well. So start forgiving others, and start forgive others. Forgiveness is the biggest thing we can do to ourselves, and we can do to others. So when we move forward in life, we should know how to forgive others, we should know how to forgive ourselves. So to build a trust in a relationship, we have to be more trustworthy of ourselves, and we have to build that relationship with others by being forgiving them and take the best thing in them and take that quality with ourselves and move forward that trustworthy in our relationship. Even if they don't realize the importance of ourselves, we should trust them. We should give them one opportunity that they can able to realize their mistake, and they should understand what they have done, and they should know what they have done, and they should realize the importance of forgiveness. So to develop that relationship, that one thing is in common is being trustworthy, and we have to trust other people. So guys, trust yourself, trust others. One is the biggest thing is that when you forgive other people, when you forgive yourself, you can build that confidence within yourself, and you can feel happy that I can able to forgive others, I can able to be so kind to others, I can able to give more love to others. So we are attracting that positive emotion with ourselves. So guys, build trust with lot of confidence, with lot of forgiveness, and surely if you give more love, you will get more love. Have that love and trust in your relationship, it will surely grow, and they will understand that importance in your relationship. Thank you. Bye.